Sore. Feet up.
What is going on, you guys? Just gonna hop straight into it. Realize I did not give an update on how she currently sits. So this is Akira. If you don't know, that is my 2008 Yamaha R6. And we had a bit of a off-road excursion when you last saw her. So over the past months, we've been taking steps to rebuild her. So we've got Armor Body's race fairings. We've got these Domino MotoGP grips, which are dirty right now because we've been working while we've had them on, but it's okay. And then we've got the put this Brembo front brake reservoir on there, and I actually stole this from a 2020 Ducati Street Fighter V4S. So, I mean, it bolts up, it's good. As you probably know, if you've seen the other video, the key was bent 90 degrees, but it still works. Miraculously. So yeah, everything still works, and let's see, fire it up. See, she still runs, which is good. But yeah, tried to paint match the color as best as we could. I actually didn't paint the tank because I didn't feel it was bad enough, but now after looking at it, I may paint it, who knows. But yeah, so this is a Superbike kit, so we don't have the stock seat. We have this foam pad here just to save a little bit of weight. And then I actually got some Vortex, I believe these are V3 rear sets. So threw those on. Still have to make a few small adjustments, but if you can see, the chain is also off. So this chain isn't, I don't know if it picks up on camera, but the chain isn't in the best condition, so I decided just to go ahead and replace it. We'll be replacing it with a DID chain and probably doing a 520 conversion kit on it. But yeah, I've got Pirelli Diablo Superbike tires, slicks, front and rear. These have seen a bit of use, as you can see. I think I have an SC1 on the rear and then an SC2 on the front. So we still got some life in them, so we'll do a couple track days on them. But yeah, miraculously, the bike wasn't in too bad a shape. The forks are all good. We did service them, make sure they're straight for the upcoming season. But yeah, lubed up all the bearings, everything checked out, so didn't have to replace the forks, which is great because forks are expensive. But yeah, we still got a few things to do, but she's coming together nicely. I did scratch up the stator cover, as you can see here. I do have a spare, but I'm not gonna put it on until I absolutely need to, and it still works, so don't feel a need to replace it yet. But yeah, only thing that I would like to get done, well, obviously I have to put the windscreen on. Still gotta drill the holes for that. Haven't done that yet, just because I haven't had time to really spend the amount of time that I need to. Also, I have a tight tails front upper fairing stay. It's aluminum, I believe, just to reduce the weight, and I heard it was a bit stronger, so that's good. We've also got Woodcraft clip-ons. I like them so far, and if I go down again, it's just super easy. You take off the clamp if you even need to, slide the bar off, and stick a new bar on, and those are like 20 bucks, so not a big deal. But yeah, like I said, getting a new chain, and that'll be done before the new season coming up. But yeah, here she is in her current state. Like I said, not fully put back together, but we'll get there, one step at a time.